Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove GoDaddy Coming Soon page. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your product page. Once logged in, you'll see a list of all your products. Look for the section called Websites Marketing. Scroll down to find the website you want to update, then click Manage next to it. From here, click on Edit Website. This opens the website editor where you can make changes and customize how your site appears. Inside the editor, go to the Settings tab. Within the settings, locate the Unpublish option. Selecting this removes the GoDaddy Coming Soon page from your domain. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your website or its content. It only removes the temporary placeholder so visitors can view your actual site. Once you've unpublished the Coming Soon page, refresh your browser or revisit your domain to confirm that your real site is now live. So that's basically how you can remove GoDaddy Coming Soon page. That's it for this video. Thanks.